Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be planting something called lemon cucumbers. Lemon cucumbers, are you kidding me? No, there is such a thing. They are extremely delicious and they are regular cucumbers, but they're sweeter and they don't look like regular cucumbers though. When they grow, they look like tennis balls. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding. So I got my seeds and I've already been growing some and I will show you what they look like. And they've been growing for about a week and holy cow, do they grow like crazy. So I've got my pots here. I'm going to be planting them in these 3 bigger pots right here. You get 30 seeds. So what I did was I ordered my seeds like 3 days ago, got them in the mail today. So flippin' excited. This is what they look like. They look like regular cucumber seeds. See that? That's what they look like. And in the pots that I already planted them in, I put 6 seeds in each pot. And those pots are a lot smaller than these 3 that you see here. Okay? So, and they are literally just popping away. They are doing awesome sauce. So, let's get going. And I might be able to plant 10 seeds in each. Not quite sure yet. But they only have to be planted 3 inches apart from each other. So, let's just see, okay? So, that's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Hello, Jouette. Let's see, that's 5. So there's 6, 7, and then let's put 1 in the middle. Or should we put 2? Yeah, let's do 2. So that's 7, 8. Okay, so 9 in each. And then I'll just use one of these smaller ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I not split? Wait, 8. You know what? Maybe I didn't space them out correctly. Hang on. Maybe I can put another one in there. I know you're like, are you overseeding? I don't know. Because I'll show you the other pots that I have. I'll show you what they look like. And you're going to be like, oh my gosh. They are humongous. I know. And after only a week. And then I'll cover those up in a second. It has literally been so hot here. And I mean, like, oh my god. Like, you take a shower, and then, like, you gotta go out, and then you gotta come back in and take a shower as soon as you step outside. It's like, are you kidding me? Okay, so now I'm gonna cover these up. I've got 4 left, so I'll just put these guys in this smaller pot over here. And then let me cover these up real quick. And then I'm going to show you get down in the butt. And you want to make sure these guys are about 1/4 of an inch covered. So like from your first knuckle up. So, okay. Okay, so these I planted a week ago. There's those. And then down here. And there's 6 seeds in each of those pots. So look how crazy they are after 1 week. It's insanity. So these lemon cucumber. So remember that name, lemon cucumber. And they are cucumbers, but they're much sweeter. And they look like a tennis ball. So they're not green cucumber. They're lemon cucumber, so they're yellow. And they look like tennis balls. I know. It's insanity. But you know what? The world is insane right now. So why not join the party? I'm kidding. No, I'm not. All right, so that is the end of this video. So happy planting, happy gardening. Grow, grow, grow. Eat what you grow. And that is all. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.